Cinnamon Hazelnut Swirl Rolls. Fresh and soft, perfect for weekend and holiday brunch. Easy and fast recipe. The filling. A 70g25 Oz 1/2 cup ground roasted hazelnuts, 3 tablespoons sugar powdered, 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon. Assembling. One sheet puff pastry store-bought. Brush the dough with egg wash. Sprinkle with nut filling. Cut into 7 even strips. Roll it as tight as you can get it until it's completely rolled out. Brush with the egg wash. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Bake the rolls for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. For an extra touch of sweetness, dust them with powdered sugar. Thank you for watching, comments and advices, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.